By now, we've got some severe winds heading to western Montana, in fact, across the state. So how do you prepare for something like that? Caroline Weiss went to find out.
Strong winds are set to hammer western Montana. Here are some tips so you don't get blown away. Before the storm, it's a good idea to prepare for power outages and strong gusts. Move or tie down hazards at your home, like outdoor furniture. Northwestern Energy recommends charging devices, like cell phones, and gathering supplies, like water, non-perishable food, flashlights, and batteries. Blankets, first aid supplies, and an emergency radio can also come in handy. During the storm, wind gusts can knock down trees and power lines, so stay inside if you can. If you have to go outside or drive, the National Weather Service says to try to get to a sturdy building. If you can't, avoid things that could fall, like power lines. Stay safe with the windy weather. In Missoula, Caroline Weiss, MTN News.